Hello viewers, welcome to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. In this video, let's start from question number 61. The question number 61 is dash is used in the treatment of obstructive jaundice. The options are option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin D, option C, vitamin E, and option D, vitamin K. The correct option is option D, vitamin K. Then question number 62. It is an amino alkyl ether. The options are option A, meprylamine maleate, option B, tonsillamine hydrochloride, option C, diphenhydramine hydrochloride, option D, zolamine hydrochloride. The correct option is option C, diphenhydramine hydrochloride. Then question number 63. It is a barbiturate sedative. Option A, glutamide, option B, methylpyrrolone, option C, quinazolone, option D, thiopental. The correct option is option D, thiopental. So which is an injectable barbiturate sedative drug. Then question number 64. The starting material for the synthesis of procaine hydrochloride is. The options are option A, para-acetaminophen benzoic acid, option B, para-acetyl benzoic acid, option C, para-aminobenzoic acid, option D, para-nitrobenzoic acid. The correct option is option C, para-aminobenzoic acid. Then question number 65. Angiotensin 2 is a option A, carbohydrate, option B, eicosanoids, option C, peptide, option D, cardinolide. The correct option is option C, peptide. Then question number 66. Dash is a serious and potential adverse effect of potassium sparing diuretics as antihypertensives. The options are option A, hypokalemia, option B, hyperkalemia, option C, hypocalcemia, option D, hypercalcemia. The correct option is option B, hyperkalemia. Then question number 67. An anti-neoplastic agent, that is anti-cancer drug, acting by folate antagonism and having pteridine ring in its structure. The options are option A, trimethoprim, option B, mercaptopurine, option C, methotrexate, option D, folic acid. The correct option is option C, methotrexate. Then question number 68. Which one of the following sulfonamide drug is used for the treatment of various urinary tract infection? The options are option A, sulfadiazine, option B, dapsone, option C, sulfafurazole, and option D, sulfacetamide. The correct option is option C, sulfafurazole. Then question number 69. Dash is prepared by the dehydration of molecule of para-aminobenzoic acid and 2-hydroxy-triethylamine which on treatment with hydrochloric acid. The options are option A, cyclomethacane, option B, procaine, option C, tetracaine, and option D, eucaine. The correct option is option B, procaine. Then question number 70. Dash is prepared by the interaction of 4-tertiary butyl 2,6 dimethyl phenyl acetonitrile with ethylene diamine hydrochloride at an elevated temperature with loss of a mole of ammonia. Option A, phenylpropanolamine, option B, silometazoline, option C, navazoline, and option D, oxymetazoline. The correct option is option B, silometazoline. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, like, comment and share with your friends.